You know, people sometimes, I'm sorry that I have overworked you, and probably you had been slotted to translate for the others, and your payment was just for that job. So in case this was not included, I've just come from abroad with a few dollars. I'll sort you out. You know, you know, I was in Colombia marketing Kenyan coffee and the Kenyan tourism destination. And as I was talking about the animals in this country, I talked about all the animals. But you know, when you go to Europe, you don't become an European. When you go to America, you don't become an American. Some of us, when we are speaking, we think in our mother tongue, then we translate. So in Kenya, the Kikuyu nation where I come from, the leopard and the tiger are one and the same. So when I was talking about the tiger, I saw some critics here asking, who is a tiger? I am telling them the tiger and the leopard from the Kikuyu nation where I come from, because I'm not an European, they are one and the same. So you are invited to see our leopard stroke tiger in our national park. Finally, as I conclude, on a light note,